How can I search my iPhone AirDrop history?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common question a lot of iPhone users have. How can you search your iPhone's AirDrop history? Let's dive into this.
Does iPhone keep an AirDrop history?
The first thing we need to clarify is, does your iPhone actually keep a history of the files you've AirDropped? Well, the simple answer is no, it doesn't. When you use AirDrop, the file transfers from one device to another directly without storing the transaction information. This means there isn't a straightforward way to view an AirDrop history on your iPhone, as it doesn't log these transactions.
How can you know what you've AirDropped then?
Although there's no built-in feature to view your AirDrop history, you can still have some idea of what you've sent or received. This depends largely on the type of files you're transferring. For photos and videos, these are saved directly to the Photos app on your iPhone. For documents, these are likely opened in the corresponding app. For example, a .pdf file would typically open in Books or a similar app that handles .pdf files.
Can third-party apps help?
If you're really keen on having a history of your AirDrop transfers, third-party applications might offer a solution. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there weren't any apps specifically designed to track AirDrop history, and Apple's privacy policies might make this difficult. So, while it would be convenient, there is no built-in feature or known third-party app that allows you to search your iPhone's AirDrop history as of September 2021. Your best bet to track what you've sent or received is to manually keep track or remember where your files generally land. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.